So I'm going to take you into my shower today and show you a technique or a trick that I use and do every day to keep my tile, the grout, clean and nice so I don't have to scrub my guts out every month to keep it clean. This is a really quick and easy way to keep your grout clean. You might already do this, but once I started squeegeeing my tile down after every shower and using the scrub that I'll show you, it stays. I only have to scrub my tile maybe every 2 or 3 months, and even then it's not very bad at all. So I just showered. I'm going to show you just the thing that I do every time I shower. So this is the nifty tool right here, is this big, huge squeegee, and it's a rubbery substance, not plastic, and it's pretty wide. It's probably maybe 20 inches wide, and my husband has rigged a nice handle for me. So you simply just squeegee back and forth, real quick. Just a quick squeegee towards the drain. So you're just getting every wall. And this big squeegee is the coolest tool ever. And it's not really made for the shower, it's made for floors, but it is so awesome. So it only takes not even maybe a minute to do. So now that you've wiped the walls down with the squeegee, what I like to do is take my washcloth that I used the previous day and just take it and wipe down the chrome. And this way, it just always stays this way. There's never hard water deposits coming on. Then I just drop the cloth down onto the floor, and the shower is really clean, so I don't mind using my washcloth. You can use another cloth a cleaning cloth if you'd rather, but I just drop down my washcloth that I've set on my towel rack to dry and take my toes and just wipe down the corners. That way you don't have any moisture in the corners to grow any mold or anything, so it's just dry, and it really just stays so nice. A simple and easy way to keep that chrome nice and shiny and the corners nice and dry.